Hi, can I help you?
Hello, how much is this doll?
Let's see top zones. That's 20,000.
Okay, can I have this doll? And do you have a bottle of water?
Oh, yes.
Have you got good ones?
Over there in the price. Is that everything?
I think so. Oh, and this snake.
Okay.
How much is that?
That 33,000, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. And that is Yang 2,000. Would you like a bag?
No, it's fine. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, can I help you?
Hello. How much is this doll?
Let's see. That sounds that's 20,000 rupiah.
Okay. Can I have the magazine and do you have a bottle of water?
Yes,
Have you got good honest?
over there in the fridge. Is that everything?
I think so. Oh, and this snack.
Okay,
How much is that?
that's 33,000 rupiah, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. And there, 2,000 change. Would you like a bag?
No, it's fine. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.